Up the body of the ball, yeah! San Miguel will go to the championship. Hawkins next will set a championship date with the San Miguel Beermen.
We know they're gonna be all out and try to beat us, and we're going to be the same. It's gonna be a war.
It's been a while since we've been here, but just because we're here already doesn't mean it's over. I expect us to win the championship.
Talagang patigasan, matira matibay.
Muling ginulantang ng Talk and Text ang publiko nang paglaruin nila ang kanilang controversial star na si Asi Taulava. Ngunit ngayon naman may go signal na siya mula sa PBA.
Finance naman sa PBA. Simula na ang bakbakan. You want to match him, you can only find him in the PBA final. Marami nagsasabi na hindi ko kayang dali ng aking kupunan sa championship. Pues, balik sila.
Pero binaliwala ng Beermen ang pagbabalik ni Taulava. Sa halip, nagkaroon sila ng mas malaking hangarin upang talunin ang Talk and Text sa unang laro ng Best of 7 Series.
I may be new, but I want to win the championship.
Dito na sasayangin ang pagkakataon nito.
I fear no one, I'm not afraid. This is who I am. I want to win.
We're ready for them. We're ready to win. Wala akong takot. Laban kong laban. Amin ang kampyonato.
Walastik ang performance ni Ace Castis na nagtrangka ng 22 points at 16 boards, habang nagbigay din ng kahangahangang performance si Ildefonso na nagbuslo ng 14 points. Ang end result, isang masterful 74-66 win for SMB.
Well, it was all over the papers yesterday and this morning how San Miguel outworked, outclassed Talk and Text back in game 1, 74-66. Asi Taulava had 8 points in 21 minutes in his return. Question is, was he a positive or negative effect on the team? Ace Castis, on the other hand, was all positive. He was the best player in the game with 22 points and 16 rebounds. San Miguel set the tempo back in game 1. They played San Miguel's brand of basketball, the systematic and deliberate kind. And for Talk and Text, they were off to a shaky start, scoring only 66 points, their lowest output under coach Joel Banal. And that's why they're behind in the series, 1 game to none. They could not run and they could not execute. Jongwei Chico trying to lead the Beermen to its 17th championship in the PBA and ending a 4-year drought. Joel Banal, on the other hand, he just wants to tie the series with a victory tonight. This is game 2 of the Fiesta Conference Finals.
Hindi naman natinag ang kumpiyansa ni TNT coach Joel Banal at ng kanyang mga bata. Walang awa nilang pinagtulong-tulungan ng Beermen. Walang paltos ang bawat bitaw ni Victor Pablo. Samantalang naging steady lang si Hanikat at Taulava sa gitna upang tambakan nila ang Beermen sa simula ng laban. Ngunit isang matinding rally ang isinagawa ng SMB sa second half. Nagkapit-bisig ang mga veteranong sina Ildefonso, Velasco, Ontiveros at Sigel upang unti-unting gumapang pabalik ang Beermen. Sa huling mga segundo, walang duda na iisa lamang ang nararapat humawak ng bola. Yan ay walang iba kundi ang 2-time MVP na si Danny Ildefonso. Pumawala siya sa depensa ni Taulava upang ma-issue ang game-winning basket. at upang maukit ang isang all-important 81-79 triumph kaakibat ang 2-0 series lead.
Ball gets the pick from Danny I. Danny I now has the ball. He leads Taulava behind. Goal! 6 seconds left. Well, we've been asking about the Asi Taulava factor on that sequence. Danny I blowing by Asi and scoring 2 points. What happened here is that San Miguel comes back from a 20-point deficit to win game 2 by 2 slim points, 81-79. What a finish here inside the big one.
Tila magilanahan sina Miller at Honeycutt sa mga parangal na nakuha nila bago mag-jump ball for Game 3. Tinanghal na best player of the conference si Miller, habang pinarangalan namang best import si Honeycutt. Pati ang mga kakampi nila ay tila magilanahan na rin dahil mula simulat hanggang huli, walang habas nilang pinahirapan ng tropa ni San Miguel coach Chong Wichico. With Honeycutt leading the way and with his 4 other teammates in double figures, sinigurado ng phone fouls ang panalo sa ikatlong laro, 103-77.
Hindi pa set. As we know that Tokentex was up 2-0, all of a sudden na 4 straight. So anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Key pivotal game sa series ito. Tokentex needs to win one to be able to avoid getting swept. Big Hamol, yes!
Don Tomaso at the corner. Hard recovery.
What a pass coming from Honeycutt. He has been the first.
2-1 lead for San Miguel Beer. Napakalaking panalo ito ng Tokentex.
Nagiging 2-2 ang series o 3-1 in favor of San Miguel.
Neutralize their championship experience with our prayers, and we just kept on believing.
Bago magsimula ang Game 4, itinanghal naman ang PBA Annual Awards. Lumipad si Eric Menk mula London papuntang Maynila upang tanggapin ang kanyang kauna-unahang MVP Award. Samantalang nakuha naman ni Rich Alvarez ang Rookie of the Year honors. Pero nang ibalik ang spotlight sa hardcourt, tila ba kapuna-puna ang sigla ni Ontiveros. Nagpilit ang gusto ang Cebuano hotshot, going 6 of 11 from downtown. Habang Custis and Ildefonso played their usual games para itulak sa bangin ng phone fouls, 87-82.
The 2001 PBA All-Filipino Cup champions. Honeycutt says, hey, part of the game. Oh, nice pass by Danny as the close of the ace. Justice. On the attack. Honeycutt was raised. Open shot. Great play. For pocket check. Danny as the close gets it right back for the Bearmen. Ahí el bate de Ontiveros. Lovely. What a deal play. Ontiveros in the ball. Another deal play by Donde. Nothing else there. Takes the 3-1 lead in the best of 7.
Nagtapos ang pinakamatinding laban sa game number 5. Halos magpalitan na ng mukha ang mga malalaro sa basketball court dahil sa tindi ng laban. Ngunit sinigurado ni Finals MVP Danny Ildefonso ang kampyonato nang magbagsak siya ng crucial na berada sa home stretch. 17 glittering championship trophy to their name. Natamo ng Beermen ang record-setting 17th overall title at ika-6 na corona sa ilalim ni Wichico. San Miguel Beermen ang natatanging kampiyon sa pinakamatinding laban ng lahat.